Hello everyone, welcome to Ambrosial Kitchen. So today in our video, we are going to see how to make a very simple and an easy to make cake, that is cardamom flavored tea cake. So without wasting much time, let's quickly check out how to make this. For this, I have taken a square baking tray, grease this with a little oil or butter. Line it with a parchment paper. You can also dust it with some all-purpose flour. Keep this aside. Now in a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Sift this well. Sifting helps to remove lumps. Now mix all the dry ingredients well and keep it aside. In a mixie jar, add 3 eggs, add 3/4 cup sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla essence, 6 cardamom pods. Now blend this in the mixie for around 30 seconds. Add in around half a cup oil, half a cup milk and half a teaspoon lemon juice. Blend this again for around 10 seconds. Now add this to the dry ingredients. Mix gently without any lumps. Try not to overmix. Add in around 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews and raisins. Mix everything well. Now pour this to the greased tray. Gently tap twice. This is an optional step. If you want, you can add some cashews on top. Now preheat the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. The time might vary depending on the oven. For me, it took around 27 minutes. Check if it is baked well by inserting a toothpick or a knife. It should come out clean. Let it cool down. Once it is cooled down, go through the sides of the cake using a knife so that it can come out easily. Take the cake out of the pan. Let's cut the cake. I'm going to cut it into square pieces. That's it. Our easy and a very simple cardamom flavored tea cake is ready. As it is a tea cake, it is mild in sweetness and it is perfect for a cup of tea or milk. See how soft and spongy the cake is. Do try this recipe at your home and share your feedback. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching.